Hey, good people. I'm Jeremy Preston, better known as Mr. Economically Intelligent. I teach people how to save money and how to live a financially successful life. Now, I have a question for you. What is the most important thing that you can own? Guess what? It's not a house, it's not a car, it's not antiques, it's not land. The most important thing that you can own is your smile. Your smile can get you the confidence that you need to be financially successful and to be successful, period. Whether it be relationships, in business, finance, marketing, you need a good smile to have the confidence and the self-esteem to be able to be successful. Now, what if I told you you don't have to pay exorbitant amounts of money for cosmetic dentistry? We all know dental work in America is outrageous. But what if there was an option available to you where you could go to a different country, get the same quality of dental work done at a fraction of the cost that you pay here in the United States? You don't have to worry about hotel and meals and incidentals. That's all covered for you in this package. Almost sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I'd like to inform you that there is such an option. Dr. Stephanie Desan is offering this package. She's a good friend of mine. She's a great dentist. She lived in the United States and she understands firsthand how outrageous American dental work is. So she wanted to offer a package to you all to be able to afford to get a nice smile. But hey, don't take my word for it. I'll let you listen to the video from Dr. Stephanie Desan herself and she'll tell you more about it. So make your appointment fast. Without further ado, here's Dr. Desan.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Guzan and it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm located in Cali, Colombia, and me and my team, we have more than 15 years working with dentistry, changing lives. Most of my patients who comes from the States, Canada, Europe, they come to me because in the States nowadays, a smile design could be up to $20,000 for a completely smile design of 20 veneers. So here with me, they get the same quality for a less price. First of all, the package that you're gonna pay, it costs $6,500 and you will receive 20 veneers. We're gonna do 10 veneers in the top, 10 veneers in the bottom. Porcelain veneers, that is the material that we work with to make you a complete smile design. So what else is included in this package? Transportation. You don't have to worry about who's going to pick you up. We will have someone in charge who's going to pick you up in the airport, drop you off in the hotel. The hotel is also included, so you don't need to worry about where you're going to stay. So you're going to stay 5 days, 4 nights. In each time that you have an appointment with me or one of my team, you will have someone who's going to pick you up in the hotel, drop you off in the appointments, and do the same. They will pick you up and drop you off in the hotel again. So transportation, the hotels, and you will have the breakfast included there. Also, I like to always have like a special gift for my patients, a deep cleaning, and also I will give relaxing massage. So you can schedule that massage with our spa that we have. Any of these 5 days that you will be here in Colombia. If you have another question that maybe I could not answer in this video, I would be more than pleasure to answer that. We can schedule a video call and I can answer all those questions. Okay, so basically you will be paying for all of these things for $6,500, having a beautiful smile and knowing a new and beautiful city and country. Well, I will see you here and let me make you happy.
So hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, you're now motivated and inspired to improve your smile. What are you waiting for? The best thing you could do is invest in yourself. I didn't say that. Warren Buffett said that, and it's so true. The best investment you can make is yourself and your smile, because your smile is going to give you the confidence. It's going to be that self-esteem that you need to be successful, to take your career from here to there. You're going to have a great time in Cali, Colombia as well. I love Cali. The people are nice. The food is great. Trust me, you're going to have a good time. Book the reservation, book the appointment with Dr. Desan, get you the airline ticket and just do it. Just go. And I promise this will be the best investment that you made in yourself in a very, very long time. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me via email. If you have any further questions from there, then you can set up a one-on-one consultation with Dr. Stephanie Desan herself, and she can answer any other questions you might have to get the process rolling. Anyway, hopefully this video helped. I look forward to seeing you and hearing success stories about your smile. Until then, remember, always be economically intelligent. See you next time.